Hey everybody, welcome back to Dogs Up UV Life Channel. Today we got in the mail the new Iflight Green Hornet Sun Whoop, and we're going to unbox that today. So we're going to see what we get in the box here. You got your instructions, looks like, for all your boards that's stacked that's in there, your BTX, your receivers, your cam. What else we got here? Looks like we got some cool little decals here we can put on something, case or whatever, computer. We also got, this is pretty cool. We have the package. Oh, that's pretty nifty. We got two little L-shaped for your plugging into Betaflight there for your USB cable. Take that off. This other package right here, we have, what do we got? Looks like we got some pads for your batteries. It's pretty cool. An extra pack of screws. Some more decals. And we got a Iflight battery strap. And it looks like we got an extra set of props. These are HSKRC 3045 props. Got an extra pack of that. Hopefully you never have to use those. We got a couple of antenna tubes, and this looks like the right hand polarized antenna. A little stubby for that. Lay that off to the side. And now we have the Green Hornet itself. XT60 plug, TPU mount for the back for your antenna stub. I don't know how well the antenna is going to work on this, but we'll give it a try. Carbon fiber frame on it. Looks like some TPU type inside of the all the way around. Looks pretty good. Got some nice foam padding there for bumping off things. Also got some skid pads on the bottom of it. Go ahead and get this thing all assembled up and get it out and take a flight with it. Got a CADX camera in it. We're going to be installing the, it's like a session mount. It's just an action cam mount. I'm going to go ahead and install because I run the RunCam Orange 5, and that'll slip in there pretty easy. Should get some nice 4K type footage out of that. We'll get that mounted up on there like that, and should be pretty good. We may have to change the angle on that just a little bit. We'll take it out for a test flight and see how that is. We're doing the Sun Whoop type video. So we'll go ahead and get started getting it put together, then we'll get it up on Betaflight, check everything out, make sure everything's tested and good. Well, the first thing I noticed that I don't know if I should shorten the antennas and push it down in there further, but the antenna tubes are not long enough. I may do something in lines of this and go ahead and run them up a little bit longer. Put a little heat shrink around the top of those. Like that. See if I can get that thing in there. There we go. I'll do the same on the other side. Just to extend them out a little bit more. You may not have to do this. It's something I was going to just do. How this is going to work out. Just gets the antennas a little bit more in the air. That should take care of that. I did have to tighten up the nut on the back there for the antenna back here. It was really loose. So don't over tighten that antenna. Got that in place, and we'll go ahead and get to the RunCam mount and see how we're going to mount that up there. Just not quite sure yet how I want to do this. Let me go ahead and set this battery on there. Just give me an idea of where I'm at. Get it up on Betaflight, check everything out, make sure everything's tested and good, then head out to the outside with it and see what it'll do.